Welcome everyone back to our class. Oh, you are really study hard. Ever wondered what's calling the troops in your body's battle zones? Meet MCP-1, also known as CCL2. It's not just a name, it's a signal flare coded by our CCL2 gene on chromosome 17. Since the 90s, we've known it recruits immune cells, but its role is way more complex than that. Let's dive in. So, where does this protein hang out? It's like the ultimate social butterfly found in almost any cell type you can think of: immune cells, blood vessel linings, even brain cells. But it really loves parties at inflammation sites. Think of those nasty plaques building up in your arteries. That's MCP-1 throwing a huge party. Or in Alzheimer's brains, liver fibrosis, arthritic joints, or even around tumors, wherever there's trouble, MCP-1 is likely there, sending out the call for help, or maybe chaos. It's basically the bouncer at the club of inflammation deciding who gets in. Alright, let's talk job description. MCP-1 is primarily a recruiter, a chemoattractant if you want to sound fancy. Its main gig is waving a giant flag saying "come here" to monocytes, macrophages, and memory T cells, directing them to where the action is, usually inflammation or infection. But here's the twist: it's a pro-inflammatory agent. It gets these cells activated, releasing cytokines like TNF-alpha and IL-6, fueling fires like atherosclerosis and diabetic complications. Yet it also plays a balancing act in the immune system, trying to keep the tone/through scales steady. And the real kicker, it induces another protein, MCP-1, which can actually dampen down inflammation, but sometimes this leads to apoptosis, like in heart failure. So MCP-1 is definitely not a simple hero, it's more like a complicated character with a dark side. How does this protein pull off its tricks? It all starts with a handshake, or rather a binding event with its receptor, CCR2. This interaction is like flipping a switch, activating a cascade of internal signals. Key players include the MAPK pathway, specifically P38, which is crucial for telling those monocytes to move, and the P3K/ACT pathway, managing cell survival and energy. Then there's NF-kappa B, where that clever MCP-1 comes in to potentially shut things down by messing with TRAF proteins. The immediate effects are dramatic. Calcium floods into the cell's skeleton rearranges for movement, and sometimes it kicks off oxidative stress, causing further damage. It's a high-stakes signaling dance. So, why should you care? Because MCP-1 is deeply involved in major diseases. From clogging arteries and wrecking joints in rheumatoid arthritis, to messing with insulin resistance in diabetes, triggering neurodegeneration in Alzheimer's, and even helping cancers spread by recruiting tumor-loving macrophages. We can detect it, measuring levels in blood serum or looking at specific gene versions. And guess what? We're targeting it. Drugs blocking CCR2 are being tested, especially for kidney disease in diabetics. Plus, researchers are exploring ways to boost that helpful MCP-1 or directly neutralize MCP-1 with antibodies. Understanding MCP-1 isn't just academic, it's a front line in fighting some of today's biggest health challenges.